Okay, I shut the water off, and I want to show you this. Now see these two drippers? See at the end right there? See that little nib? That's a coupling. Coupling is now attached onto the pipe. Coupling is attached to the pipe there. And man, look at that. It doesn't even look like that one's pushed in all the way. I may have to check that. Now see this one? That's the one I'm going to fix. You see? What do you suppose that is? It's probably a coupling that went to a piece like this and it snapped off. Okay, and I don't see the extra links of piping anywhere, and so I need to fix that. Now how could I fix that? I could take that off. Glass is now open. I could take that off and take one of these. See, hole plugs. See that? That's a little plug. I could just take that and plug it in. These are brand new, but I always like to use parts. Okay, whenever I do a repair, I throw the extra pieces in here, and see here's a couple little pieces that I've got. Okay, see that? That's the end of the coupling. I could use that coupling, couldn't I? And then I could cut this off, save this little piece of pipe, or actually no, I could put that coupling in, right? And then I could just take this piece and put on that coupling, and then there's my repair, and I still have this long piece of pipe left. I could do that, right? That's one way I could do it. I'm looking at this. Did you happen to notice what I saw? Granted, I'm going to be rearranging all of this drip irrigation off the main, off of the drippers, and all that later on after I get done working in the front yard. But you see, look at this piece here. There's a coupling right there, and here's a dripper. Well, I could use that coupling, couldn't I? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this back to here, and then I'm going to take this little piece off of here, and I'm going to put this dripper back there. That way I can reuse that coupling. No need to spend any money and use one of my brand new ones. I'll save those for something else. Okay, and then I'll just cut off this dripper at the end and use that one, and that's how I'm going to fix this. Okay, so I'll get you situated here. Hopefully you can pretty much see what I'm going to do here. So I just got my electrical cutters, and I'm going to cut this off. Okay, and I'm going to cut this off. Up there. And I'm going to reuse this. So this little piece of pipe I'm not going to need anymore. And you don't want to cut that off too close, or else you're going to cut the end. And so I just use my same cutters at an angle like that. I used to take some pliers and pinch these off. You could do that too. You know, let's see. I got that off. And I'm going to look at that, just make sure it's straight. And just kind of do that. Now I can take that, and I'm just going to walk the dog back and forth like that. I used to take those and try to push it on and twist it. And it's kind of hard to do that when the pipes are really super old. Okay, that's fixed. Right? Now I've got, well, that's done for that. Okay, so let's get you out in the light. Let's get you out in the light. Okay, so now I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to cut this off too close, because see, there's the tip of it. So now I'm going to cut this at an angle, trying to be careful not to cut any of the coupling. See? Like that. I'm just trying to be careful, see? And then you can kind of rip it off, okay? You see that the end of it, I don't really want to cut that off So I don't want to cut that too close. Now I can kind of do that and grab it, pull it off. Well, there's my coupling. Okay. And now I need to, here's my little piece, so I'm going to cut this. And this little piece of pipe, am I going to throw that away? No. I'm going to probably save it because I'll be able to use it somewhere. See, I almost cut too much off, didn't I? But I didn't. And then you just go in at a 45-degree angle, just to the edge of the pipe. Kaboom. See there? Now, there's my piece. Oh, you know what? I wasn't supposed to cut that, was I? I wasn't paying attention. Okay, I'm gonna reuse that piece. Dabbity nabbit. That's okay. I'll put it back on. Okay, walk the dog back and forth. Waggity, waggity. Okay. Now I can put this on now, or I can put it on afterwards. I'm going to put it on afterwards because it makes it easier to push this into the pipe. Because I'll take my pliers and hold it and push it in. If I have this on there, it makes it a little bit harder. Then I have to kind of hold this at an angle, hold my mouth just right, and push it in sideways. That makes sense. So there's my two little parts, and we'll get ready to work on the pipe next.